What up, what up? Welcome to Mr. Barnes' class, where there's no whining and no complaining. Today we're on lesson 73, multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Okay, so this is a very easy concept to remember. Now, make sure that you do not confuse this with adding and subtracting. Alright, this does not have anything to do with adding and subtracting, only multiplying and dividing. Alright, a lot of people get that confused. Okay? So let's look at this first thing. If two numbers, multiplied, divided, have the same side, the answer is positive. Alright, so we know this. 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, we know that. Okay, they're both positive, the answer is positive. But now, if we have a negative times a negative, it's a positive. Alright, so two negatives multiplied or divided. Alright, so let's say that we take negative 6 divided by negative 3. Alright, that's going to be a positive 2. Alright, so two negatives divided or multiplied, it's going to be a positive. Just like if both of them are positive. Alright, 6 divided by 3 is also positive 2. Alright, now, if two numbers multiplied have a different sign, the answer is negative. Alright, so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. See how one of them is negative? The other is positive, so the answer is negative. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 also. Alright, it doesn't matter which one's negative, the answer is going to be negative if one of them. Alright, so if we have negative 6 divided by a positive 2, our answer is negative 3. And if we have 6 divided by a negative 2, also equals a negative 3. Alright, so one of them's negative, the answer is negative. If both of them are positive, the answer is positive. If both of them are negative, the answer is positive. Very easy. Alright, so I want you to do these problems here. Alright, here's A. Go ahead and pause it and see if you can get this answer. Okay, so the answer to this is positive 3. They're both negative, so the answer is positive. Alright, pause it and see if you can get the answer to this. Okay, the answer to this is going to be negative because only one of them is negative. Alright, when we divide this, alright, we're going to get negative 0.6. Alright, this one, we're multiplying here. Alright, go ahead and pause it. Okay, this one is negative 18. 6 times 3 is 18. One of them's negative, so our answer is negative. Alright, this one here, go ahead and pause it. Okay, we have two negatives multiplied together, so our answer is positive. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, so it's a positive 1/4. Very easy concept. Alright, this is not a long video, so everybody have a nice night. Remember, be more awesome.